Popsy here, and I just want to share a video on putting together the original pieces from a bumper cover onto a new bumper cover for a 2014 Sonata. I had problems, so I had to just replace it because it ripped. But this is the one that has the original piece close to the bottom that runs almost the whole length of the bumper. I've seen other ones on different bumpers that you only have a short piece. This is the long piece. It had me stumped for a while. But what I've been using is a screwdriver right down here and smacking it with the rubber hammer, and that's got me part of the way. The other thing I've been doing is sometimes they wouldn't want to line up, so I would use an awl just to get it started, and then once I got it started, I'd follow through with the 1-inch putty knife. Then I'd leave the putty knife in there and then go to the screwdriver and the rubber hammer and smack it. And that seems it's been working okay for me. And the last thing I came up with was some of them are they're kind of close, but you can't really get in there with the rubber hammer and the screwdriver, because the way it is now, it's when you hit it, the thing just rocks. So, but what I did was I used vice grips. You could probably see the indent over here where I grabbed it and pulled it through. And so that's what I came across and thought I might share in case you run into the same problem. Okay, God bless, have a good one. Bye-bye.